Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are students from University Technology Mara Shah Alam are going to present our topic, which is the concept from whole to the part.
So, what is actually the concept from whole to the part? The principle of working from whole to the part in surveying, firstly, involves laying down an overall system of stations whose positions are fixed to a fairly high degree of accuracy as control. Then, the survey of details between the control points may be added on the frame by less elaborate methods. Therefore, these are called primary control point. This implies a precise control surveying as the first considerations, followed by other surveying details. So, the main reasons of this concept are to prevent the accumulations of errors and also to control and localize minor errors.
So, what is the application concept from whole to the part? The application of concept from whole to the part is applied in mapping plane table. Firstly, we establish 4 main stations as the primary central point. Then the gaps were filled up with the secondary point at closer interval.
Okay, people, let's proceed, shall we? Traditional consideration that apply the concept from the whole to the part in surveying is Malaya Triangulation Network, or generally known as MRT68. Well, why 68? This network was established by the older surveyor in the year of 1968. Let's go through this diagram over here, shall we? It says that it involves precisely measured baseline as a starting site for a series of triangles or chain triangle. Next, it says that the determination of each angle in the triangle using a precise theodolite which permitted the computation of the length of each side. By mean, we will have 3 different sides in triangle, which is side A, side B, and side C. Nowadays, in a high-tech world, the modern terrestrial control survey practice favors combination of both triangulation and trilateration. As a surveyor, we need to keep our pace along with the technology. Why? In order for us to obtain high degree of accuracy and precision in our reading. As simple as that.
Next, the comparison between Malaya Triangulation Network and plane table. In Malaya Triangulation Network, the triangulation is a method where measures the angles in a triangle formed by 3 survey control points. It acts as a basic state or provincial control and precise traverse. In triangulation, this configuration suffers from the weakness of there is only one route can be followed to solve from side. Meanwhile, in plane table, intersection is the method that is widely employed for plotting the details on the maps. The 4 control points was determined by using the intersection and acts as a precise traverse. Back to Malaya Triangulation Network, the trilateration is the process of determining absolute or relative locations of points by measurements of distances. In plane table, after the intersection method, the resection method then is employed for establishing new stations in order to locate missing.
So, this is how the concept from whole to the part is applied in surveying. With that, thank you.